Hello, I'm Diana John from We Learn to Share. Today, we're going to learn about violin fingering. Let's go. We learned these 4 strings and made basic sound with them in the last video. So, we're going to make more sounds using these fingers. Step 1. If you want to hear more sounds of the violin, you need to press some parts. And you can check these parts here. Your index finger should be here, about 1 inch from the peg box, and you need to press your middle finger a little far from your index finger, and put your ring finger a little close to the middle, and put pinky just a little far from ring finger like this. This is the basic fingering. Please remember this shape. Basically, the G string can make sounds from low G to D. On the D string, you can hear the sound of D to A note. And the A string can make sounds from A to high E. Finally, you can play a high E to high B on E string. I guess you notice each string sound is getting connected to the next string. When you press pinky and draw the bow on both of the strings, it will sound the same. Also, there's one thing that I'm gonna tell you. When we play violin, we call fingers just a little differently. The first finger starts from index, so we call them first, second, third, and fourth. I'm gonna call them like this from now on, so please remember this also. Step 2. So far, we learned the basic fingering about violin. But if you want to make more sounds like F natural, C natural, and G natural, etc., there is a little bit different fingering. You can move your finger backward just a hair. Then, you can make half a note lower. However, if you put your finger forward just a bit, you can make half a note higher. For example, you can make F natural sound by moving your second finger backward. Also, you can make B flat sound the same way. You can also make other sounds from here. For example, high F natural can be played when you move your first finger backward. And now you can hear all notes including flat and sharp from low G to high B. Nice job! Here are some tips for memorizing the place where you should put your fingers. Almost all violin beginners put tape there and stick the stickers like this. After you tune the strings, you need to find the correct pitch and stick it into place. Then you can certainly recognize where you should put them. If you made 4 lines under your violin strings, That means you can play some songs by yourself. You'll be a real violinist by our next video. Bye bye!